Okay, one more video this week. We are going to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions and convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. So we're going to go back and forth between the two different forms. Okay, so here's a mixed number. That's a whole number and a fraction stuck together. And the way we convert that into an improper fraction, which it looks like something like this, where the number on top is bigger than the number on the bottom, is we do this. We're going to times those together, and then we are going to add the number on top, the numerator, to that answer. Okay, so this is going to become 8 times 3 plus 2. The denominator in the problem is what we keep over here, so it stays a 3. And then we work that out. We got 8 times 3, that is 24, plus 2 is 26 thirds. And that is an improper fraction. And this is an important thing to know how to do because when we start adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing mixed numbers, to me the easiest way to do that is to use improper fractions. And so we're going to be converting like this a lot. Okay, so let's look at one more. So remember, we take the denominator here and multiply it to the whole number. And then to that answer we add the numerator. We add the number on top. Okay, so this one's going to be 5 times 7 plus 6 all over our original denominator again, which was a 7. Okay, 5 times 7 is 35, plus 6 is 41 sevenths, and there's our answer. Okay, so now when we go from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we have to divide. Okay, so we need to do 116 divided by 7. Okay, so let's work that out here. I'm going to just do some long division. Okay, 7 doesn't go into this first 1 here. I'm going to put an X there. Okay, 7 goes into 11 one time, so 1 7 is 7. Subtract, I get a 4, bring down the 6. Okay, how many 7s can you divide into 46 without going over? Well, that is 6 of them. Because 6 times 7 is 42. Let's subtract that and get my remainder, which is 4. So this 116 divided by 7 is 16, remainder 4. So how do I turn this into a mixed number? Well, the quotient, or this number here, this 16, is our whole number because 7 goes into 116 16 whole times. Our remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction, and then our 7 here stays as the denominator. So this 116 sevenths is the same as 16 and 4 sevenths because 7 goes into 116 16 times with 4 left over. Okay, so now we've taken an improper fraction and made it a mixed number. Okay, let's do another one here, 97 fourths. So we got to do some more long division. So what's 97 divided by 4? Okay, 4 goes into 9 twice. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. Let's subtract that. 9 times 8 is 1. Drop down the 7. Okay, well, how many 4s go into 17? Well, that's 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract, and we're left with 1. Okay, there's our remainder. So 24, remainder 1. Okay, so we're going to change that into the following mixed number. Again, our quotient, or this answer here, is the whole number in our answer, so 24. Our remainder is the numerator, and our denominator in the original problem is our denominator in our fraction. So 97 fourths is 24 and a quarter. Okay, I hope that's good. That's just a few examples. And, as I say every single time, please, please, please let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email, and we'll take care of that as soon as possible. So thank you, and have a good week.